Patterns. You must have often seen these patterns when you studied programming languages. These patterns helps to understand the loop and sharpen the logical skills of the programmer. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python practice series. And today we will see how to print star patterns in Python. Before we move further, I want to understand one crucial thing. When you write such patterns in C or C++, you have to use nested loop. But in Python, it's not required. Let's write the program and you will understand how this works. First, we will try these patterns. Here, we have 4 star in 4 lines. So, write a print statement and inside print, write star in double quotes. And then multiply by 4 like this. Run the program. Well, we got 4 star printed. This particular feature of Python helps to write the star patterns without using a nested loop. Now we will put this print statement in the for loop with I as a counter. And in range, we will mention 1 as initial value and max range as 5. Now run the program. Well, we got our pattern. Well, this was easy. Let's try printing this pattern. Here we have stars in 4 lines. But it's incremental. That is, the first line has 1 star, second line has 2 stars and so on. How to do this? Let's open our previous program. In this program, look at the print statement. Here we have 4 because we wanted 4 star in every line. But now we will change that to I. Let's run the program. Well, we got the perfect output. Here, print statement will print the star depending on the value of I. In the for loop, initial value of I is 1 and then it goes to 4. Now, let's look at this pattern. Here, we have 4 star in the first line, 3 star in the second line and so on. How to print this pattern? Any wild guesses? It's pretty simple. Just open our last program. Here, in the range, we will start the loop from 4 and then it will go till 0 with the step as -1. Run the program. We got the expected output. I hope you enjoy this pattern printing. Try different pattern like this and sharpen your programming and logical skill. And if you don't want to miss any video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.